This AI tool can turn any normal photo into a motion-controlled cinematic video, completely free. No subscription, no complex editing, and the results honestly look way better than you'd expect. So let's test it. Open your browser, type DreamFace into the search bar, and hit enter. The first site you'll see is DreamFace. Go ahead and open it. And yeah, they also have a mobile app, so everything I'm doing here on desktop works the exact same way on your phone too. Once DreamFace opens, look for the Act option. If you don't see it right away, tap here, and it'll show up. Click that. Now you'll land on this interface. You'll notice a bunch of built-in templates here, so technically, you could just pick one of these and instantly generate a motion video. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of using their templates, we're going to create a fully custom motion control video using our own footage. So first, remove the default clip and upload your own video instead. I'm using this one right here. Next, we need a character image. You can upload one directly, but if you want cleaner, more realistic results, do this instead. Open any video editor, import the same clip you want to animate, drag it onto the timeline, then move to the very first frame and take a screenshot. That screenshot is the secret. Now jump over to OpenAI's ChatGPT. Upload the model photo you want to use for the motion video. I'll use this one, then hit the plus icon again. And this time upload the screenshot we just captured from the video. Now paste in the prompt. You'll find it in the video description. And check this out. You can even customize the outfit colors any way you want. For example, I typed red, so it'll generate the character in a red outfit. You can switch it to blue, white, and literally whatever matches your style. After that, click Create Image. Then head to the drop-down where it says Auto. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and hit Run. Now look at this. ChatGPT generated a completely new image using the same face as our model, but matched to the exact cinematic style from the video screenshot. That's the part most people miss. Download the image, then go back to DreamFace and upload it as the character image. Now down here, you'll see two different options. The first one is Swap Avatar in Video. The second is Add Motion to Photo. If you want your AI character to replace the person inside the video, choose Swap Avatar in Video. But if you want to animate a still image instead, use Add Motion to Photo. We want the character inside the actual video, so we'll select Swap Avatar in Video. Then hit Generate, and now the AI starts building the motion control video automatically. But here's the real game changer. Go back to the Act section and open Advanced. You'll see a resolution option here. If you select 480p, it costs 0 credits, completely free. But if you switch to 720p, it'll use 2 credits instead. The cool part is free accounts actually get 2 credits every week, so you can still generate higher quality videos without paying. Right now, one version is rendering in 480p, and we're also generating another one in 720p for comparison. Just hit Create, and there it is. Both videos are done. First, let's check the 480p version. And now, here's the 720p version. Now, if you want to download the video, just hit download right here. And this is where it gets even better. You can enhance the video quality for free. Just click Video Enhance, and DreamFace sharpens the footage automatically without charging anything extra. If you want to make another motion video, the process is super simple. Delete the current clip, upload a new one, take another screenshot from the first frame, generate a matching AI image, and repeat the same workflow. Free users can generate 480p videos without spending credits, and you can usually make around 5 to 6 videos per day. Just hit Create, and your next motion video starts rendering instantly. And there it is. The second video is ready too. Let's play this one. You can see that the 480p version looks a bit softer, but once you run the free enhancement feature, the quality gets noticeably better. Just click Video Enhance, wait for the processing to finish, and the upgraded version will appear right here alongside your other renders. Honestly, for a free workflow, this is kind of insane. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.